If you've got a shuttle service and you're looking for a professional, affordable website for your business, you're definitely in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to do exactly that. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, so make sure you click on the link below this video. Sign up for their free trial, no credit card details needed. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for shuttle service. There is an airport shuttle service as well, but this one specifically, if you don't only do airport transfers, click on the shuttle service option. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located or operating from, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue. Let multi-sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a couple of seconds with information I've just put in. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website, maybe make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. You can do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding, be a web professional of any sorts, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's click on the first section at the top and go ahead and pop in our email address over here. We want to make sure that email address is visible on our website, so let's tick the box. Great. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Our address, our physical location. If you have one, put it in. Great thing about that physical location, when your customers actually click on that address, will automatically take them to Google Maps. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website so your customers can easily go through to your social media profiles. If you've got a business logo, head on over to update logo. If you don't have one yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Check out other videos as well because there is a few free options available for you to create a free logo. There's another great one called Hatchful as well, so do search for that one. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on the pencil to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters or frames. But if you're happy, click on save. Over here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we've pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, click on the paint bucket bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on Update section directly underneath that section. Click on Update Image. Over here, you have the option to browse your device to upload your own images. Search through the photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from. You can play around with the keywords that you're searching for and just see what images pop up that are suitable. Remember, they're all completely free to use, no licensing or anything like that. If you have an Instagram account with images of your business, you can actually connect your Instagram account as an option to automatically pull in those images instead of uploading them. Click on connect your Instagram accounts, connected in the click of a button, and automatically pull in all those images to Marty Sites. And update action is where you can change that button, the text, as well as where the button links to. You can also have the option to upload a PDF file with your different rates and services. Now, in the last section is where your customers can easily reach out to you via the lead generation form. All they need to just put in their details, click on send. You will get notified by your registered email address. You have a new lead. You also can keep track of all your leads via your Marty dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, you can connect it by clicking on connect your domain. So I already have a domain. Otherwise, if you'd like to purchase a domain to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, click on that green button to purchase one. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your shuttle service. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.